Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and let's draw Garnet from Steven Universe. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with her glasses first. So this one is going to be actually pretty simple to draw. We're going to draw one line across. So this is going to be the width of her glasses. And then from there just come down on the sides. And then just go back to the middle of this. You can make a little point. And then I'm going to slant it down. So just try to make both sides symmetrical. And then from here, we'll just connect them. Alright, so that's the glasses. And then for her nose, we'll just keep it simple. Let's draw one little angle. And then for her mouth, just come down right in the center here. I'm going to draw her upper lip. And then the bottom, same thing. And then right in the middle, I'm just going to draw in, make the line a little bit thicker. And that's going to give us her mouth. Okay, and then for the side of the head, we'll just extend these lines. Just come down right around here to the lower lip. Just come down straight. And then once you reach this point, just curve it down toward the center. And just leave a little bit of a gap. And that's gonna be our neck. So we'll just extend this. We'll just finish this out first. And then close it off. Alright, and then now for her hair. So this one is very easy. Just come right on the bottom right here. We'll just go out. And she's got really big hair. Just draw one little bracket. Just come up to right around the eyeglass area. And then from here, from this point here, let's draw a bigger bracket going up. So way past her head over here. And on the corners, we'll round it out. And then just connect it with almost a straight line. That's gonna give us her hair. Alright, so that's her head, and for the body, it's pretty simple as well. From the neckline here, just extend it out. So this is gonna be your shoulders. Bracket down. And then just close it off. And then right in the middle right here, here's the waist. And we'll just stop right there. Okay, and then let's come back up here and we'll finish up the arms and the shoulder right here. So she's got these big shoulder pads. So just come out from the side here and then come back in to the chest area. Okay, and then now for her arms. So right here, it's gonna be pretty skinny. We'll just come down and we'll close it off. So right around here, right around the waist area. Now for the lower arm, we'll extend it out and then just pinch it back in and then close it off. So the arm's very skinny and cartoony. And then for her hand right here, just come down right here. I'm gonna draw a little egg shape. It's gonna be inside the palm and then we'll just go around it. Okay, and then for the thumb, just slant down and then just hook it back up. And then for the other finger or the palm, just come down and then just kind of round it out. We'll just keep it simple. And then for the fingers inside, I'm just going to add 2 lines. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. One skinny rectangle or a tube. And then lower arm, come out and then pinch it back in. Close it off, just use the other side for reference. And then right down here, another egg shape. And then for the thumb, slant down, just hook it back up. The palm, just come straight down. And then same thing here, just a little U shape. And then for the fingers, 2 lines. Okay, so that's the upper body, and let's finish up the details in here. So on the collar right here, just one line right underneath the neck, and then just slant it up. And then she's got a little bit of design right here, so right in the middle, add one line, slant down, and then just go down this way. Okay, and then from here we'll continue this, so same slant. And then one more, pretty much the same as this shape right here, but I'm gonna start right here. It's gonna be a lot bigger, so just go around it and then slant down. Okay, so that's the upper body, and now for her legs, and her legs are very easy to draw. We're gonna come down right in the middle right here. We can draw one straight line coming down. Add a little line across. So this is gonna be your hip right here. We can draw the inside first. We just draw two curves going out. And then here's gonna be one big curve. So it comes out quite a bit. Just try to make it smooth as possible. And then for the lower leg, I'm gonna draw one little curve here and then just kind of straighten it out and go all the way down. So just curve and then go down. And then on this side, just be straight and just stop a little bit short here, so don't go down all the way. Stop there. And then for a foot, it's very easy. Just curve out, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off and nice and sharp on the tip. So go out. Okay, close it off, and then for the little details right here, just draw one little curve going this way. And that is it for this Garnet. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.